My EZVIZ TR1 Pro 2K CCTV camera is showing offline. If the CCTV camera shows offline, then let's see how to solve this problem. First, remove the camera device from the EZVIZ apps. Now reset the CCTV camera. After resetting the CCTV camera, go to your phone. Tap to add device. Now scan the QR code from the label on the back of the CCTV camera. Now connect Wi-Fi to your CCTV camera. Now create a password for your CCTV camera. EZVIZ TR1 Pro 2K CCTV camera offline issue resolved. Now you can control CCTV cameras and view live footage from your phone.